Hi guys, so for today, I'm gonna teach you on how you can manage conditional fees and also I'm gonna show you on where you can find it. So you need to log into your Mucho Taste account, click manage, and on the left side corner, you can see the settings here. So just click that. So on the system, under it, you can see the conditional fees. All right. So you just need to click that. So you can add anything here. I mean, you can add an additional charges for customers every order if certain conditions are matched. So for example, for this conditional fee, convenience fee, you can name that convenience fee and you can add the amount of the fee that will show on the customer's order. That fee is a fixed amount that will be added to the customer's cart total and the percent fee. And you also have a different options here that you can make for this specific conditional fee. All right, so just make sure that you hit the save button so that that option will be saved. So yeah, that's basically it on where to find the conditional fees and how you manage it. Okay, let's do our recap, just a little recap. So you can see it here on setting, system, conditional fees, and you just click this red button here so that you can be able to choose specific conditional fees that you want for your restaurant. All right, so that's it. Thank you for watching.